Hey, it's Keisha, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to make instant CBD tea. First, you're gonna get the CBD tea off of the website in the link below. It's gonna come inside of a purple and yellow bag. And you're gonna take one sachet out, and you're going to pour it inside of a 16.9 ounce water bottle. And it has 10 milligrams of CBD per sachet. And it also have a lemon extract, and it tastes so refreshing. It tastes like lemonade. And you're gonna shake it up, and you're gonna drink it. It is so refreshing, guys. Okay, and if you're a little familiar with some of the benefits of using CBD, you know that it helps with inflammation, anxiety, with your sleeping, and chronic pain. And it also helps with stress. So get you some. It's good for you. But that's how you make it. You just get you a sachet. And it comes 25 come inside of a bag. So you open it, you pour it inside of your 16.9 flow ounce water. And I love spring water. Spring water, you can use any type of water, but I prefer spring. So whichever water you prefer. And you pour it inside of your water bottle, shake it up, and it's good to go. And it's so refreshing, guys. It tastes like lemonade. I kid you not. All right, see you in the next video.